Hey vlog! Welcome back! Okay everyone, trying to see how I can show you. This is my outfit. Oh, you can't really see. But I'm feeling like a bit 1800s, like I'm a bit in Hamilton the musical. Gallagher sisters, Angelica, Pete, Eliza, work. That's what I feel a bit like. So I'm gonna try black shirt. Okay, here's black. I don't know. I think I prefer white. I'm gonna go ask my mum. Okay, I went with white. Just gonna embrace the 1800s look. But I'm gonna do some makeup now. See when the look is complete. Alrighty vlog, here is the fit. Where you sit? Stay there. Can't really see the full fit. Here I am. Got my pink bag to match my pink earrings and my pink bow and my pink toenails. I'm ready to go. Mom's making breakfast. Blake is ready for a good day. Rosie, are you ready for a good day? Yes. Put on a jacket because it's going to be cold. Does not go with the outfit.
Your love's what I need. Your love is what I need.
Mary Poppins! We are going to Mary Poppins the musical. My toes are gonna get cold. I already know, but they match my bag and my bows and stuff. Going down, quick, quick, quick! Here we are. Oh, what is this?
Morning everybody.
What was this? The FIFA, FIFA
Women's FIFA World Cup.
And they said they had
festival.
things for the kids like soccer balls. You know who would like a soccer ball? Colin should be here, but we need to be in here. I need lunch. The floor kind of matches my accessories too. Oh, that's cute. Here's Mary Poppins sign. Oh, they're actually playing soccer out there. I thought Dad was just going into the theatre. Female toilet. I won't film in the toilet, guys. We just had our picture in front of Mary Pippins, if you will. Now, hope we get some food before the show because I'm hungry. Insert pictures here. Oh, we went to the Barbie movie last night. Took some footage of that. Insert that here. On our way to the Barbie movie. Who's excited? Whoa. Mum's in pink. Pink Uggies.
Pink cookies.
All I brought was a pink scarf.
Wait, some pink. I got my pink.
Oh yes, got a coffee. I can't behind you guys. Oh. Wave to the vlog. Caitlin's here now, vlog. What was your review?
10 out of 10.
Your review?
Terrible.
Oh, okay.
It was rubbish.
Oh, Dad didn't like it. What was your?
See it again.
Oh,
Are you joking?
nah,
What's your
it was alright. It was alright.
Well, what? Guys, I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Some bits were better than others.
I was watching it.
Yeah,
I didn't.
it was kind of. Some parts were kind of boring.
I like the message behind it.
Yeah,
Like, I like the overall concept.
Will
Great
Ferrell was
perspective.
funny. I like his drumstick.
I like the roller skates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the dance number.
Yeah.
Quite got me going. But I was hoping they were going to sing. Like, I was hoping it was a song I already knew.
Yeah.
I want to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you at Mary Poppins. Welcome back from the Barbie movie. It was kind of disappointing. I low-key wouldn't watch again in the cinemas. Maybe on Netflix, not in the cinemas though. I think we're on our way to get food. Ooh, all spit bright outside. Here's all the soccer things going on. I don't look like I'm here for the soccer. I think some bands might be playing. Look at that building. Cute. Bit of foosball. Oh, soccer in there. FIFA. You like kick the soccer ball on the target? Yeah. There's not much here, is there? That's cute. Taste of Spain. Mum wants some paella. Yeah. They've got all these tents of different food from different places. There's England, China, America, Argentina. What was that one? Spain.
They've got chicken.
Remixed. Taste of England. Fish and chips. Not sure what I want for lunch. The music is so loud. I hope I don't get copyrighted. We have found us some lunch. I got a veggie pasty from England. They just came out of the oven, so it's hot. This music is so loud. Mum, you got
A halloumi burger.
yes, looks pretty good. Squeaky cheese.
Squeaky cheese.
Yep. Blake,
Cheeseburger.
cheeseburger. They came from America. Dad's getting noodles from China. Time to fill our bellies before the show. I want to get a drink for the show.
Yeah.
I think I might be a bit thirsty in there.
Me too.
Need to reapply my lippy. It looks really pink on camera. My lipstick. It looks like sort of the same color as his ribbon, but it's not like that in person. Oh. I was going to do an unboxing, but you can't really see.
Can I hold it?
Nah, it's alright. Here's Dad's noodles.
Sure.
It looks really good.
$15 cheese.
That cost you $15, Blake. Enjoy every bite. Time to go in. Apparently there's lots of people in there. Can't get over how
Are we going to the
bright pink my
bar?
lips look. But my pasty, amazing. Amazing. Whoever made that, loved it. Push my chair in. Let's around the world. That's where we went for lunch. Let's go. We're getting drinks from England. Just Coke, no sugar for me. Coke, no sugar. And then we're gonna head on in, find our seats. It's kind of warm out here now.
Yeah, a little bit.
My tongue's a little bit burnt from the hot pasty. Do we look the same, guys? Comment down below if we look the same.
Maybe you don't. Shout out 3 seconds.
Shout out to Blake. he's my little brother. He's my little brother. Yep. Surprise, I've got a little brother. I'm ready to go in and sit down. Don't think I need to buy any merchandise, but when I see Mum and Mia the musical, I'm going to buy merchandise. Oh, Dad with the goods, Dad with the goods. Going down, hope I don't trip. We are here in Festival Theatre. The guy who's the main chimney sweep, Jack Chambers, really good tap dancer.
This is door one.
We need to go to 3.
Attention, please.
You have my
In the
attention.
unlikely
There he is, Jack Chambers. Door 3. Blake, are you excited?
No.
Blake's a party pooper because he's a teenager now. He's a teenager
may I
now.
have your attention?
Teenagers are
please?
party poopers,
Welcome
Blake.
to the Festival Theatre.
Yeah.
The auditorium.
Mum, are you excited?
Yeah.
Available for seating.
You look really pretty today.
Thank you.
And every day.
Thank you.
Dad, are you excited?
I'm mediocre so that I don't.
So you don't get
Don't leave
disappointed.
them.
Because I mistakenly hyped up Hamilton for them. And when you watched it, it was not very good.
No.
So I'm just
No.
gonna forget we watched that and stick to listening to the
Go in
soundtrack.
with low expectations. Go
Yes.
in with low expectations and you won't be disappointed.
They're the words to live by. And always arrive 15 minutes early, because if you're not 15 minutes early, you're late.
You're late.
We can go in now.
Let me get
Or
tickets.
should we get
Here we
some
go.
dessert?
In we go. Here we go. We are quite close. Row B. 4 from the front. Look at that.
Can we have a selfie?
We're in row B. We're quite close to the front. Mum wants our... What's the word? Every time we come to musical, gotta take a selfie. Isn't that right, Mum?
That's right.
We're like right in the middle of row B, so it's pretty good. We've got some leg room here. I've got some caramel popcorn.
We're going to do some time step in a minute.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a really good tap piece in here, and I love tap. It's my favourite style. Let's go, camera ready? Ready. Now, you can't be Shazamming in the musical. When we were at the Barbie last night, 2 seconds into the movie, Shazamming. There was a Van Gogh thing here in Melbourne. She's Shazamming the French violin music they were playing. Mum and Shazam.
We are besties.
Besties for resties. Yep. Anyways, gotta take our selfie.
Okay, Hoppenstein is not in that.
You want me to turn around and get the
Yes.
billboard?
It's about 7 minutes before it starts.
Yes, exactly.
Phones are on silent. We're ready. We'll update you with our thoughts at interval and then again at the end.
The orchestra's warming up.
Yes, they are. At interval. It's half time, guys. I mean, interval. My mum just said it's half time and now I'm saying it. So far, so good. It's really good. Really good. But there is a row behind us who won't stop singing and clapping and talking about footy scores. Where's your theatre etiquette, guys? My mum had to tell them off, and I did feel these. And the clapping was the last straw. Oh my goodness. We're not at a concert, guys. Very rude. If you wanted to go sing and clap along, you should have gone to the music festival that was here on the weekend. So far I'm really frustrated. I'm not in the right zone for the second half, I'll tell you that.
Very disappointing.
Yeah.
Show's great.
Show's great.
Some audience members not so good.
So I'm hoping second half is better from them because there's supposed to be a tap routine and I don't want that ruined for me. But yeah, so far I can't even say so far so good because it hasn't been.
Show has been.
The show has been. My experience has not been. Yeah. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, second half will be better. I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm hoping. Show's done, guys. Show's done. Was the second half better than the first? Well, dancing, I would say yeah. I enjoyed second half more. As for the seating sitch, nothing changed. And did you talk to her again in the second half?
No, I looked at her.
Yeah, I looked at her a few times too, and she was literally looking at me too when I turned around. I'm like, can you not tell you're being annoying? And then, guys, at the end, my mum goes, I hope you enjoyed the show. And guess what she had the audacity to say? Make sure she's not around here. She said, yeah, but you ruined it for me. Sorry? Were we the ones clapping and singing?
Talking about footy scores?
While we're trying to hear a cappella tap dancing? Singing? Like, what is going on? Anyways, show was good, theatre experience was not. And we're taking the stairs to the car. Oh. Thanks for holding the door open. I just tripped on the pole. I not run into the people we're having a fight with right now. That was actually insane. I can't believe they said that. Anyways, we're trying to leave now. My blood was actually boiling. My heart was racing. I was so angry. I was ready to get up and complain to the usher. It was crazy. I have never had an experience in the theatre like that.
Me either. It was such a good show. I feel like I need to go and see it again because they just ruined it.
The props and stuff was amazing. I think it wasn't my favourite musical, and I think a majority of that has to do with the experience I was endured. Because if I could actually sit there, relax and watch the show, I think I would enjoy it more. Made it to the car. Hey everyone, we're going home. Tell you what, morale slightly low. Those ladies really put a downer on our day, I'll tell you that. Try not to let these things get to me, but it's a bit hard when you're trying to have a nice day with your family. Someone just likes to sprinkle a little bit of hatred on it, you know? But we're making our way home. Blake, how'd you like the show?
Yeah, it was good.
We might stop for a cheeky little bevy. Cheeky bev. And yeah, go home. I can't wait to take my makeup off because I feel a bit greasy. It's a bit rainy out there. We've got a bit of a drive to get home. Nothing that we're not used to. Drink time. Let me show you what I need. Yes! Turn up the fun. Like that. Oh, what's this? Money box? Oh. No.
I'm just looking at them.
Bit of Cinderella. Now that's what I like. Getting me a Chico. Chico roll. Blake's got nuggets and an iced coffee. Dad's got chicken roll. Starting to feel tired, but my chai latte is on the way. Here she comes with gifts. Thank you. Always come with a little biggie. Yum.
That worries me. About eating them in the
Hot. Toes are a little cold now. I think it's officially home time. Ooh, I'm ready to put my gym jams on and maybe watch a movie. Maybe we can watch a movie that doesn't have any clapping in it and talking.
I'm just gonna yell. I'm gonna sit behind you and yell the whole way.
You know what? It might give me a bit of nostalgia. Let's go, it's cold. We made it home. Whoa, bit dark. It's about 6 o'clock. I'm ready for gym jams. Put a movie on and put some socks on. My toes cold. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the vid. Lol, I hope it was somewhat entertaining. I'm just gonna lay in bed now. Not gonna lie, stomach is sore. But I'm in for a chill night. Please like, subscribe, share if you wanna. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.